In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to link WhatsApp on two phones without QR code. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So first of all, open the WhatsApp which you want to link on another phone. So I want to link this WhatsApp. I need to open it. And once you open the WhatsApp app, tap on the three dots from the top. Now click on link devices. Under it, we need to click on link a device. Now provide your mobile's password, which is fingerprint or any password. Once you provide your password, then it will open a scanner. If you have any QR code for your WhatsApp web, then you can scan the QR code using your WhatsApp scanner from here. But in case you don't want to scan the QR code, then tap on the link with phone number instead from the bottom, and then it will ask for a code. The code will be available on the second device where you want to link your WhatsApp. So I want to link my WhatsApp on the second device. So firstly go to the Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, search here web WhatsApp just like this, and now search it, and then go to the first website, which is web.whatsapp.com. Once you are on this website, tap on the three dots from the top and then switch your site to desktop site by checkmark this option. Once you checkmark it, then your site will be switched to desktop site, and then will be able to see this QR code. You can also scan this QR code using your first mobile scanner, but I don't want to do it. I want to log in without my QR code. So for that, zoom in here on the bottom and you will be able to see this option, which is login with phone number. If we tap on it, then it will ask for your phone number. We just need to scroll here, and now here we need to enter our phone number. So make sure to enter the phone number which WhatsApp you want to link on your second device. So I have this WhatsApp. I need to enter this mobile's WhatsApp number on my second device just like this. Once you enter your phone number, click on next. Now it will show you the code which we need to type on our first mobile WhatsApp. Once you type the code, it will automatically log in your WhatsApp on your second device. As you can see here, it has started to load my chats, and there you go. You can see all of my chats here. For example, if I send any message on my first mobile WhatsApp, so suppose if I type here how are you message and send it, the same message will be available on my second WhatsApp as well, just like this. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.